After successfully launching the instance, copy its public IP address. Open your command prompt or terminal to SSH into the instance. Navigate to the NeevCloud documentation and open the Apache installation guide. Once logged in, update your package list and upgrade the installed packages. Next, install the Apache web server by executing the necessary command. Verify the installation by checking its status. Start Apache and enable it to launch on boot with the following commands. To confirm that Apache is running, use the status check command. To verify the default port. Finally, open your web browser and enter the IP address of your instance. Default Apache landing page,